Hello friends, so today I am partnering with Vivaia, a sustainable shoe brand I've been obsessed with. They're all about comfort, conscious materials, and timeless designs, so let's get right into it. The first pair is the Azura pointed flats with a beautiful oversized bow. They're super chic but also practical with cushioned insoles and a wider toe box, so your feet feel comfy all day. They're perfect for both casual and dressy looks. I styled them with a black dress for a coffee shop day, and they instantly made the outfit look polished, and the mid-heel height is just right, stylish but easy to walk in. These are great if you want elegance without sacrificing comfort. The next pair is the Christina, which is a sneaker ballet flat hybrid, or we can call it a sneakerina. They're super lightweight, soft, and have triple layer cushioning, which honestly feels like walking on clouds. They even come with two kinds of laces, so you can switch up the style anytime you want. I paired mine with shorts and socks for a casual street style vibe. They're comfy and versatile, so you can dress it up or down, make it girly or sporty or whatever you want. And fun fact, Bella Hadid has worn them too, so she was my inspo for this one. These pairs definitely an everyday go-to if you want comfort that still looks cool. And if you want to have that Bella Hadid moment, then go for this one. The last pair is the Miley Mary Jane, which is super fun because it comes with 3 different shoelace styles. That means you can switch up the vibe really easily whether you want something chic, casual, or a little bit more dressed up. They've got the comfort of sneakers because of the cushioned sole, but the design is more sleek and feminine. They're also foldable and travel friendly, which makes them so practical if you want to pack light but still have a stylish shoes on hand. I wear these with a skirt and a top for a more feminine look. They're effortless, comfy, and add a nice touch to any outfit. So if you're looking for comfy, sustainable shoes that look as good as they feel, definitely check out Vivaia. I've added my discount code Khira12 and links down below.
Okay, on my phone it comes like I asked you.
So this is the place. There's Sarah and there's me. Fit check. Tour. Hi JM. Wow, kitchen and living room. Hoy! Hoy! Ginagawa mo! Hi guys! Wow! So foggy! Look, sabi oh! Sabi look oh! Wow!
Smile ka, smile. Smile.
Wow! So foggy! Smile!
Smile.
Hey! Cheers! Cheers! Cheers, guys! Oh, cheers. Yes, yes, yes. Oh! Yes. Eat well, guys. Sobrang mid nito. Mas masarap yung alichi pizza. Mga next year? Next year! Hello, friends.
Video?
Yes.
50 lang. 50 lang. 50 lang.
Nasaan ako kaya?
Si Bambi. Tama nga eh. Wala lang pulbo yan si Gian.
Ano kumakain yan sa gabi? Yun ang pinapanood niya.
Pag nakain na uwi, yun ang pinapanood.
Uy, nakakatawa naman talaga siya. Ay, itong lugar do, Luis. Yung lugar do con Earl.
50 lang. 5K.
Pescara, napagwala ng daliri.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Early vlog natin. Very early vlog. Jogging tayo. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Kaganapan at 6:30 AM. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, go, go, go. Sayang naman. Let's go. Oh. We're done. Good job, guys. JM. Kaya pa? No. Ano ba? Which one?
Ito.
Wow!
Oh, okay. Cheers!
Cheers! Masarap ng mango. Nyam. Nyam. Love it. Ang tago! Hala! Hala, nag-fall na siya. Ang sarap. It's giving.
At giving Dutch meal.
Oh.
Ay, yung maasim?
Ay!
No. Maasim ang Dutch meal.
Dutch meal. Early bird. Wala bang sound? Cheers. After concert! Thank you! Say hi to my vlog! So good! I love it so much!
What's up? Chris Patrick out here in Milan from Jersey.
Thank you! Go. Her clip. And my favorite mine! And mine! After concert, hey! Best on earth! Hi, friends. Hello. Ano? Hindi pa luto.
Batok.
Oh. Wow, noodles.
Hindi ko mukha ng seaweed. I need her. I need him. Para tumatlaw.